Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Danish Christmas delicacy, æbleskiver, made with sourdough, of course. It's not really Christmas without them. Hi, I'm Sune and I'm a food geek. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough æbleskiver. They're a Danish type of round pancake ball that we eat every Christmas here in Denmark. If you're new to this channel, I bake a lot of sourdough bread and I make delicious food from all over the world. I'm on a quest to get the most out of every ingredient, and my goal is to teach you how to do that in simple and understandable steps. So join me by subscribing and ringing the bell so you won't miss any future videos. The word æbleskiver literally means apple piece. You'll often hear people who don't speak Danish call them æbleskiver, even if there's only one. The singular form of the word is æbleskive and the plural is æbleskiver. Now you know a little Danish. I bet you didn't think it was going to be a language lesson too, huh? They're served with powdered sugar and a preserved fruit jam of your choice. If you want to, you can put a piece of caramelized apple inside the ball as you turn them. I've heard some people put a piece of chocolate inside. The possibilities are endless. I'm thinking blueberry. To make these, you're going to need a specialized pan. I recommend going with a cast iron version. I've linked a good pan in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you use the link and buy the pan, I'll get some money that I'm going to be using for running this channel. If you do, you'll get my sincerest thank you. Well, let's have a look at how you make sourdough æbleskiver. The recipe, the ingredients, and the amounts are linked in the card above. To a bowl add 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 250 grams or 8 3/4 ounces of sourdough starter, 30 grams or 1/6 of a cup of sugar, 500 grams or 2 cups of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, stir in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar into regular milk and let it sit for 5 minutes. Mix well. Leave to ferment on the kitchen counter for 12 hours. Once the batter has fermented for 12 hours, add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 50 grams or 3½ teaspoons of melted butter. Mix until well combined. Then it's time to bake the æbleskiver. Heat an æbleskiver pan to medium heat. If you're using cast iron, be sure to heat it for at least 15 minutes. Butter each hole using a teaspoon. Fill each hole almost to the edge, but not quite. Let the æbleskiver fry until they formed a nice crust. Once a crust is formed, you should use a trussing needle or a kebab skewer to turn each æbleskive a quarter turn. Then fill each æbleskive with a bit more batter. Using your weapon of choice, turn the æbleskive all the way around so that the dough runs into the pan and creates a ball. Now let them fry until they're done, 2 to 3 more minutes. If you're making many, you can keep them warm in an oven set to 100 degrees Celsius, about 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the door ajar or else they'll turn soggy. Take out the æbleskiver and proceed to bake the rest. That's how you make Danish æbleskiver. Enjoy them with fruit preserves and confectioner's sugar. I like to eat mine with blackcurrant jam or raspberry, but whatever you like the most is perfect. Don't they just look delicious? For me, it's not really Christmas without them. Recently, the channel hit 3,000 subscribers. I'd just like to thank everybody for following, watching, and commenting on the videos. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos, and I hope you'll keep following me. If you'd like a teaser for the week's video, you should go follow me on Instagram. I'm called foodgeek.dk over there. You can also find the link in the description. I hope you learned something today. See you next time.